Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. So today I want to do a little get ready with me, and I guess let's get started. And I'm going to prime with the Master Prime. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. Spray my face with a little bit of the mist from Milani. So Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray Mist. And this is just to get my face a little bit more wet. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my eyebrows. Now I am going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I do want a guide today, so I'm going to be using tape. And do my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Milani Gilded Gold. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. palette. I don't remember the name of this one. Brown. Be applying that brown just here on the outside of the crease. And now I am going to be using this green right here. And I'm focusing on the outside of my eyelid. And dragging it out. I'm going to get my eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Forever 21 Love and Beauty. You can see I have a lot of fallout. It's totally normal, especially with pigmented, like really pigmented, and especially when you're adding more and more. So don't worry about it. We'll clean it up before we put foundation. We'll be applying a little bit of liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put some mascara. I'm going to be using the Covergirl. So now I'm going to be applying foundation and some concealer. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so, please like it. If you haven't watched my other videos, please go see them and give them a like. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a good evening, night, morning, wherever you're at. And until next time, bye guys.